Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, we are going to be replacing the mirror covers on my 7th-gen Nissan Maxima. And if you see that box right there, that's my new mirror covers, painted to match to my vehicle from my friends over at Bumpers.Deliver by MEI Auto. I'll consider them your one-stop shop for all your automotive needs as far as replacement body panels, such as front bumpers, fenders, mirror covers, which we're going to be opening in a sec, rear bumper accessories, rear bumpers, tailgates, etc. So if you go to the website bumpers.deliver.com and use promo code SCORPION20 on all and any orders $200 or more, you will get $20 off your entire order. So if they don't have it on their website, you can contact them. I'll put the contact information on the screen, and they could source any parts for you. And if it has to be painted, just get them your paint code. If you don't know what your paint code is, it's usually on the driver door. So on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima, you see color, that's your paint code right there. And then on my Toyota, I'll show it to you too. So that would be on the sticker, and when you see TR, this is my paint code for my Toyota. So every car has it, you just gotta look for that little sticker, and it's always on the driver's side. As far as I know, every single car I've ever worked on or owned, it's always on the driver's side. So let's set you on the tripod and let's open this. And these are OEM mirror covers. They're protected. And peel these off. You don't need these. And shout out to Nancy, because that's who I contact all the time to help me source any parts, get it painted to match, and it's beautiful. Spot on. And if you're also an OG subscriber, my front bumper, my fenders, my rear bumper splash guard, my rear bumper, and now these mirror covers is all painted to match. Everything on the front end of this car is over 2 years old now, and it's still in immaculate condition. It still looks brand new. So if you ever wonder if the paint, how well the paint holds up, that's a testament to that. So now I'm gonna pick that up. It's a little bit windy. I'm glad it stopped raining. The sun's coming out. We're gonna start replacing the mirror covers. All right, I can't find my sponger tool, so I'm gonna use my box cutter. I don't recommend this if you're not careful or you don't know what you're doing, because you could easily scratch up either the mirror cover itself or the black housing around it. So use something that you're more comfortable using. So I'm just gonna reach, just gently put my box cutter right behind it to where I can get a grip and pull back. And you want to be careful because there's a couple clips underneath here and a few clips right here. So if you break any of those clips, it will be hard for your mirror cover to attach to the back of the housing. So now, same thing. There we go. Put that down. And I'm gonna pull back gently. And voila. So these are all the clips I was talking about. You want to be careful to where you're not breaking them. So let me clean off my hands. And then we're gonna attach the new one on. So all of these put into their respective holes, the slots. So what you want to do, put it in the angle. We're going to do the bottom first. Click right into place. Now I just got to line the bottom up. And voila. So you can see that beautiful, beautiful new mirror cover painted to match. And you see I didn't scratch my sequentials or any of the paint. Oh, this is why I won't own a white car. Hard to keep clean, but it's not scratched. And I was careful. And now we got a new one on, and then now we're just going to do the opposite side. And anybody that has a white Nissan Maxima, I'll post that for sale so you could get it. And then whoever wants this one, I'll do the same thing. I just got a little nick right there, and that's about it. So same process. So removing it. Put this aside before I accidentally scratch something. I'm gonna turn the mirror back this way, and voila, ain't break nothing. And then get our beautiful new one. I'm gonna get these stickers off. And then of course, same exact procedure. Same thing we did on the driver's side. And you hear it click in place when it's in its appropriate slots and everything. And voila. Other side done. Looks beautiful. And like I said, use promo code Scorpion20. Any orders of $200 or more, you will get $20 off your order at www.bumpersidedeliver.com. And that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.